Caitlin.
Good morning.
Caitlin, you're charged with parking on the sidewalk on Europe Street.
Yes, sir.
That's in the Federal Hills section, right?
Yes, sir.
How long have you lived there?
I stay with my boyfriend most of the time. That's his house, well, his apartment on the corner of Europe and America.
Europe and America? Make up your mind. Were you in Europe or were you in America?
It's on the corner. It's right on the corner.
Europe and America.
It's technically on Europe.
Did you hear that, Inspector Quinn?
I did.
Europe and America.
Wonder where the corner is.
Actually, that's where Kenyon Street, where Colorado School is.
Yeah.
There's a school
Yeah, the
right there.
elementary school is right across the
I
street.
know that because I went to that elementary
Really?
school. So I used to visit Europe every day. And the street,
Right.
not the country. All right, Caitlin,
Yes.
here's the deal. The city has charged you with parking on the sidewalk. And the city has showed me a photograph of your vehicle. And it shows your vehicle parked in the driveway, but it doesn't show where the sidewalk is.
Right.
Now, if I look at this, I can make a determination, well, there must be a sidewalk at the end of this picture because they charged it with parking on the sidewalk. But it's a source of amazement to me that the parking enforcement officer takes a picture of your car for you parking on the sidewalk, and they take a picture of your car parked in the driveway. And then I'm supposed to make an assumption that the car was on the sidewalk, but they don't put that in the picture.
Right.
Inspector Quinn, as the chief prosecuting officer, how do you explain this?
Your Honor, based on the photographic evidence, I don't think we could
Wait a minute.
prove the case in the photograph, though.
I think she needs a lawyer. Okay. Public defender, get up here. Come here. Are you a member of the public?
Yes.
Yes, you are. You're a member of the public. Want to show the public defender this picture? Would you identify yourself?
Yes, Attorney Voss Altman, Public Defender.
Your client is charged with parking on the sidewalk, and that's the evidence that the city is submitting. So is there anything you want to say on her behalf?
Your Honor, I can't even see an edge to this curb. I don't think that this photograph is adequate to prove that case.
Oh, you don't think the city can prove its case by clear and convincing evidence?
No, I do not.
Based on that photograph?
I do not.
Oh, you can't see the sidewalk?
Can't see the sidewalk.
Have you checked your glasses this morning?
I did.
No. Seems like a pretty compelling argument to me.
Your Honor,
Thank you, Your Honor.
The city's position is, based on the photograph, it appears that the rear half of the vehicle, the trunk portion, is obstructing a portion of the sidewalk.
Oh. Well, we have a full battle between Inspector Quinn and the public defender now. I don't know. Who do you agree with?
Honestly, I just want to say about the rear end of the vehicle. If someone parks in their driveway and the rear end of their vehicle is somewhat in the sidewalk, they don't get a ticket. So I honestly don't think it's appropriate. Even if I do, I mean, $100 is a lot for that.
All right. I think the public defender made a very compelling argument in your behalf. Okay. The city submitted the photograph of your vehicle parked in the driveway. It's a stretch for me to interpret that picture to say there's a sidewalk there. Do I know there's a sidewalk there? Obviously. Do they have evidence to prove it? No. So I can't, in my mind, say there must be, there should be, there could be. Right? City has to prove by clear and convincing evidence. The photo is not clear, nor is it convincing. Your appointed lawyer made a compelling argument. The case is dismissed. Good luck to you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Judge Frank Caprio reviews a parking ticket case where the city claims a car was parked on a sidewalk. However, the photo evidence fails to clearly show any sidewalk. After hearing arguments from both sides, Judge Frank Caprio rules the evidence is not convincing and ultimately dismisses the case.